welcome to another unscripted review and unboxing from OtherBuys. So today we've got the JOREST watch repair tool set. So I got this from Amazon, there'll be a link in the description. So the reason I got this is I got a new watch, an Invicta Pro Diver. There's a video to that in the bio if you're interested in taking a look at that. So I got this as I wanted to be able to replace the links, take them out, replace the strap. This kit's also really useful for other things like changing batteries. So I'm just going to talk you through the contents. You have a manual here, shows you how to use all the tools within the kit. So we'll quickly talk you through them all. So we've got these sort of like plastic sheets separated by these pieces of tissue paper. So for watches that can't be opened with a tool like this to flick it open, ones that need like a ratchet, such as this. So with the little grooves on the back of your watch, so you pop this on the back and twist it, would stop it from getting scratched. Put this on. Put that over the plastic and twist it, and you can get access to the battery and replace it. For watches where you don't need to use that tool to get it off the back, you've got a little tool here. You can pop that in, pop the back off, get into your watch. Nice big microfiber cloth, giving the face and strap and back a polish. This here is used to grip the watch when you're using this tool or any other tool. So basically it's got an adjustable size, so you screw it so it grips the watch nice and tight, and then it's on a base and you can use that or do any maintenance that you need to do. This tool here is used for balancing the watch side on, so you can put like the strap through here, so you've got a good base to be able to access the links, etc. And here, got some extra pins for the tools, some extra spring bars if you're replacing the straps. There's two lengths in here. The lengths are on the bio of the item in Amazon, so click the link to see those. So you can use those if you're replacing the strap and lost these little spring links that hold it in place. Here are some replacement pins for the links, so when you're linking together, they've got these pins that hold them in place. Moving on to the tools. So this tool here is how you push the links out of your watch. So you pop your watch in there, you line it up, screw it, and it pops the pin out. Just got to be careful to make sure it's lined up, because otherwise you'll bend this pin. Mine is, if you can see, slightly bent when I did it. However, if it becomes a problem, you've got replacement pins here, which you swap that out and put new ones on. And we've got a little hammer that you can use to pop out the links if you don't want to use this tool. I prefer this one, but you can use this one. And to do that, you get one of the pins from here. You would stick your watch strap in there, pop that. Have I got the wrong tool? I have got the wrong tool. So this one, got some little attachments used for maintenance. I don't know if you can see that, if it'll focus. There you go. In there. And it's also got a little measure on there. So if you're trying to get the pins out, use this tool. You pop it in the hole, hammer it through, pinch will come out. We need a little bit of force, hence why I prefer using this one. Some tweezers for the small parts, particularly if you're going into the watch and doing some maintenance. Small little brush, clean out any dirt in your mechanism. And then finally, got a good quality screwdriver. You can replace the heads, all sorts of different heads in there. Pop them in, screw it in place, and you can use it. So if you want to get a kit like this to maintain your watch, there's a link in the bio to get it from Amazon. Roughly about £10 if it's on sale, otherwise usually about 12. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. We're also on all the other socials, such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Lemonade. Thanks guys.